guys. So, funny kayo. Okay. Nako diri sa boarding house. Naglipod ko kay dili mo siga ang kaning dapat sa kitchen ng mga suga. Nako nga sugat. And then nagbay ko og kanang adto sa ilang tindahan sa Tagiya. Tapos ang tanong ko, kuya ka na. Dili lagi mo siga ang suga sa kitchen dapat. Matang siya nga. Ha, wait sa day ha. Ibalik ko ni kuya. Niya, buong kayo kay. Abi ko kanima oy switch sa suga sa kitchen. Dito. Pero you know guys, wag yung kukitaan eh. Pero di ay switch. Ay ka siya. Funny ka ayo. Nauwaw ko guys. Oh my god. Ito guys, nauwaw ko. Huwag kayo upa.
Biggest turn on is when she is always
Biggest turn off.
Gusto may turn off din ako. Turn off. Ako an. Ano bitang wala?
Complain na
Si
lang
ako? Hi. Ano nga nang niya ba? Wawa. Wawa man siya, oy. Hey, oh my god, let's do some. I don't want like. Hey guys. So guys. Ano yung movie? Pwede na tawag pa ng movie. Oh my god. Mawawa kami sa mga alma mater. Last practice ng Marina. And yeah. Marapong po ano yan. Marapong tanod. So, yung practice ng Marina guys. Our last practice na naman tomorrow is our recognition of Amandando. Of course, ang movie na mag-movie. I'm so excited. And at the same time, I'm also sad I'm also sad, of course, kaya magagawin naman guys. Nanood lang masan man ko mga balungon na ng mga classmates katuon ako guys. Kaya ano ko that's why laman na kasi oh my god, I don't wanna cry guys. Ngayon kasi yung ko punta place World Walk.
Moving on, the candidates for graduation of the TEL Home Economics Grant. Apico Carrillo J.D. Guterje and C. Gonzalo Japet O. Gorgonio Carla May P. Guling Renee T. Gutierrez Erich.
Awards and a service award from the Rover Scouts. Gorgonio Carla May P. with honors. With honors, Gutierrez Erich. She's also a loyalty awardee. With honors, Hipólito Clark C. He will also receive the following awards: Loyalty Award, Service Award from SSLG, Service Award from the Rover Scouts.
Recognize and celebrate them with incredible support of our parents and guardians. It is now time to hear. Okay, so we have a problem regarding with our video, some music video with the
Wala, Bernie. Uy sila, guys. Nami salad, guys. O water. Pag last year, sa kuan, GS, Judby, kaptirang gamaya. Dito ganun pa kay kuan, pitataw. Hasta ganun kuan, Juno, pailan na siya. Dito na, guys. Pag mga ano, guys, igutom na ko, guys.
Kaya kung ipailisan ako manok. Para siguro kaya itong reserve sa iya ba?
Hi guys, dito po sa Bigedge. And wala nang family nun. I am so pretty. I like my makeup, guys, because it's like something dark and it's really fit my outfit. Really love my outfit. Yes. By the way, I bought this from Shein. And yeah, ako like a style, guys. And thank God. Thank God the success siya. Candle. Among alma mater. I'm so pretty talaga. Thank you, Ate Jai. Hi everyone. So, it is May today and it's our graduation day. Kami graduate, guys. Hey guys, so it's June 2. Yeah, time na lang ako out ani. Mag-i-hacks lang. And yeah. come with me to get ready. Oh, kasama. Goodbye, boarding house. I'm surely gonna miss you. Oh my god. Bye. Oh my god, the memories. Oh, I'm crying. I'm crying, guys. After that, wow, I'm very scared guys, because the journey and sa city ako guys. For almost 1 month and half, no, not 10 days and half, almost 1 month and 10 days. And then I made a lot of videos here, piano, I played the memories, first, but it is like oh, I think my son is here now. Bye guys. Bye. Bye, boarding house. Bye-bye.
Mani, karat niya mani.
Ha? Pagkuha ba? Ay na ba? Timbahan, may. Napadala na dyan siya, guys. Ano kami? Bye, guys. Nangita may manok, guys. May manok, guys. Asa may manok? Ano, yati naman eh. Kailangan pa dyan akong lawas.